While 2010 signaled new beginnings for most people, naging masaklap naman ang pasok ng taong ito para kay Snooki Serna at sa kanyang pamilya. Nitong Miyerkules, January 6, pumanaw ang kanyang ina na si Mila Ocampo dahil sa cardiac arrest due to emphysema.
Happened yesterday at around 10:30 in the morning. She was still okay actually, but she was having a hard time breathing already. At around 10:30, si Anton said, "Mom, are you okay? Are you having a hard time breathing?" And then she just wouldn't answer anymore. So Snooki tried to give her CPR. Even brought her to the doctor just to make sure. But then flatline na talaga.
While Snooki's relationship with her mother might have seemed rocky at some points in her life, in truth, Mila was the mother who stood by her daughter, hindi lang bilang tanggulan, but also served as the strength behind Snooki during the times when she was weak.
Although Mommy Mila was considered a stage mother, on the contrary, she's a beautiful mother. I mean, she loved Snooki so much. Actually, Snooki went to this regression thing and she finally found out that her soulmate was her mom.
At ngayong inihatid na sa huling hantungan si Mommy Mila, paano kaya ngayon haharapin ni Snooki ang buhay na hindi nakapiling ang kanyang mahal na ina? Sa unang pagkakataon, Snooki after her tragic loss, dito lang sa Showbiz Central. Mga taga Showbiz Central, kasama na po natin si Miss Snooki Serna. Hi, Snooki.
Hi, P. Good
Our condolences from Showbiz Central
Magandang
to you
hapon
and your
po sa lahat ng nandito. Thank you so much, P. I really appreciate that. Thank you.
Snooki, one of the things na talagang ikinagulat ko when I read about it is that during the last moments of your mom, ikaw pa daw ang nag-try na mag-revive sa kanya using CPR. Is this true?
Yeah, kasi there's this school, yung Cheers, Incorporated. They teach CPR. So, I tried to do that on her. Kaya lang, natakot ako kasi na talaga siya. She was super frail. Skin and bones na talaga siya. She went down to 72 pounds. Hindi naman siya maliit na babae. She was 5'5", somewhere there, 5'5 and a half. Nung na-feel ko na parang yung dito sa area ng lung niya, or just between or just below the lung, parang sa may diaphragm area, parang malambot na. Yung parang feeling ko parang isa pang pump ko baka mag-crack na. Sabi ko, naalala ko yung Michael Jackson incident na, di ba si Michael Jackson, that's what exacerbated his situation. Doon siya namatay nung pinump siya doon siya lalong...
Because he was also very frail.
Naging serious kasi frail na siya.
Yung mga moments na yun, Snooki, you were trying to save your own mother's life.
Yes.
What was going through your mind?
Oh my goodness. Actually, what was... pag ganun palang situation, actually think of nothing. Everybody's oblivious. Ang gusto mo lang, focus mo lang, syempre, is to save the life of the person that you love in any way that you can.
And when she wasn't responding anymore.
But when she was not responding anymore, my brothers also were trying to do what they could do. Siyempre, doon na kami nag-breakdown lahat. Lalo na ako, I don't want to make payabang na I'm so strong and all that. Lalo pa kami ni Mami, a lot of people have been saying na, uy, para kayong soulmates ni Mami Mila, para kaming kambal. Talagang yung pagmamahal ko sa nanay ko, ganun-ganun na lang Baka nanay ako, So, talagang ako yung the most na talagang halos hi, Mommy! Talagang nagwawala na ako.
But it's also very well-known to the public. Yung mga love-hate instances ninyo ni Mommy Mila. For instance, you were telling me na just 2 weeks ago, nag-aaway na naman kayo.
In a way, kasi parang it was sort of an argument because hindi kasi ako sanay na makita ang mama ko nanlalata. Very active siyang babae, very agile. Kung ano yung kinahinay-hinay ko. Si Mami, maliksi, very athletic. Tapos she is so strong-willed. Very strong.
And during her last few weeks?
But during her last month, lalo na yung during the last 2 weeks, talagang ang laki ng deteriorate nung will niya. Ang laki ng nawala sa willpower niya. And so parang binigyan ko lang siya ng nagpa-tough love kuno ako na para bang kahit na papasok ako sa banyo, iiyak ako doon. Pagkatapos ko na sabi ng iba, emote in showbiz terms natin. Pagkatapos ko umiyak sa banyo, pagdating ko sa labas, emote naman ako na kunyari, I'm strong. Parang ako yung nag-reversal of roles kami na this time ako naman si Mami na nung araw pagka nanlalata si Snooki, nanghihina ako, pinanghihinaan ako ng loob at ako yung parang baby. Parang naging baby si Mami for a while. Siyempre siguro kasi nga talagang hinang-hina na siya. Pinipigil lang niyang mag-let go ng self niya to illness. Mahabang sakripisyo yan. Sabi nga niya, Cooks, alam mo, para naman akong pinaparusahan. Gusto ko nang mamatay. Hirap na ako, anak. But then, so ako naman yung, Mami, laban, nasan yung Mila Ocampo na kilala ko? Kailangan matapang ka, Mami. Ikaw ang nagtuturo sa akin yan. Nasan yung katapangan mo ngayon? Yung parang nagtataray-taray ako kuno But actually, sa loob ko ng kapal mo, ha? Nakakahiya sa Mami mo.
What would you consider, Snooki, during your mga love-hate instances with your mom, parang the biggest problem or the biggest yung divide na nangyari sa inyong mag-ina?
Yung time na nag-asawa kami ni Richard. Because
she
was
wasn't
everybody knows it's Ricardo Cepeda. Galit si Lucy. Kasi si Mami kasi loves me too much that